The new Uniform Shop provides school uniforms and corporate wear to both private and public schools. And we do it at the retail level, and we also do it at the wholesale level as well.
This industry does face certain challenges as to being able to offer a customer exactly what they have to buy, and that's exactly what we were able to achieve.
We found that Illumity really understood our needs. We did a tremendous amount of due diligence before we embarked upon this project.
The way to resolve it, the first step was SAP Business One, where we could get real-time inventory, excellent forecasting, and be able to communicate that back to our customers.
How can SAP and Illumity bridge those two in a better process, taking into account new information to iterate and make it better, more efficient, faster?
Getting on and starting off with the right platform is very crucial and important to us, and that's why we partnered up with SAP Business One, where now, as in future, we can scale and keep growing.
SAP Business One, in particular being in the cloud, is what makes our systems very effective.